This is the majority of my clothing. I just have more like shirts, jackets, and sweaters. Oh my god. Gonna try those. Do you guys like my outfit? I really like these cow socks. I'm in like some lounge outfits. I don't know how other people look so put together when they do their closet declutters. My eye bags are so dark because I literally spent all night last night decluttering the rest of my space. So this is what we're working with right now. This is the majority of my clothing. A lot of like fall winter stuff, knits. These are all of like the bottoms I own. Lounge. I don't really like when influencers do like major closet purge, clean outs. Threw out half my clothes, you know? And I want to preface this with, I haven't done a closet clean out in years. Like I would say it's been maybe 5-6 years. A lot of this stuff is also thrifted. I am really mindful and intentional when I have pieces, but sometimes, you know, things change. I've also just held on to clothes thinking that I'll fit them again. There are things that are a bit too small for me, things that are a bit too big for me. I gave it some time and I've been at a stable, like the weight that I'm at now. It's not a great feeling, you know, when you're like, I don't know, when you have clothes that aren't the right size for you in your closet. So I'm gonna do a major clean out today and really look through everything. I'm also going to sell some of these pieces. So if you see anything that you like, let me know. I'm thinking of posting them either on Instagram or maybe I'll post on like Poshmark or Vestiaire or something. Haven't really figured that out yet, but first I'm just excited to like look through everything. Oh my god. Keep going. Hello. Oh my. Okay, here's a perfect example of keeping something that I thought I would fit into eventually, but it hasn't fit my arms in like 5 years, but I'm like, I love it, one day it'll fit me. So I'm definitely gonna sell this because it's such a pretty spring piece. But so yeah, Cynthia, like why did you hold on to this stuff? Like I know I want to be intentional with my wardrobe, but it's just so nice. Or like here's another example, like this is an Eileen Fisher sample that's like a purple corduroy jacket and it's so cool, but I just never end up wearing it. But it's like such high quality and it's so like novel, but I don't know if I want to sell the fall winter pieces now because like I don't know if any of you want cold weather items, so I might hold on to them and then do another sale when it becomes colder outside. This linen duster from EF. It's so nice. Something down in here. Also my white blazer staple. What else do I have in here? My collared shirt. You all know that I love. It's kind of linty, but I'm also gonna keep this in here. All these things out. These are all like thrifted shirts and stuff. Thrifted. Thrifted. I'm not kidding. I think most of my wardrobe's thrifted. I have like leather jackets, but I honestly don't wear gray anymore because I just realized, look, it still has the tag from my shop. I just don't like the color gray on my skin tone. Let's go back to this side. Okay, first thing I want to do is sort through what I want to keep. The rest that like I want to sell, I'm gonna bring out into the living room to like sort that out later. Oh my god, you guys, I remember this like jumpsuit. I love this so much. I make a pile of my fall winter pieces. I cleaned my floor yesterday, so I'm putting them gently on the floor because you want to make sure you treat your clothes well. Leather pants that I thrifted that I absolutely love, that I didn't even get a chance to wear this fall winter because we were in lockdown here. Another thrifted shirt that's like super yummy. Thrifted tank that again just doesn't fit me well, and so I wear it to like lounge in. I don't want to keep any clothes that I don't feel good in because that's changed a lot over the years. Like even though I love the piece, but I don't love it on me, if that makes sense, you know? Because all of our bodies change and that's okay. And sometimes it makes it hard to like buy clothes, but that's why I also kept my clothes for so long, because I was like, hey, what if I'll fit them again one day? Here's what's up so far. Fall winter things that I want to keep. These are like spring pieces that I'm gonna keep too, so I'm gonna put them back in. This is a pile of things that I either want to donate or sell, and then some jeans that I need to try on. Like most of the pants I need to try on to see if it actually fits me enough that I can like get away with keeping it. Oh my god. Wow, I have a pretty nice like color palette going on here. These are all the denim and like trousers that I want to try on to see if they like fit, but I haven't worn any of these in forever because they like haven't fit in a while, so I'm gonna try those. Oh my god, why am I out of breath? I'm gonna fold this stuff first. This is the stuff I'm gonna pack away for my fall winter stuff. This is like my go-to Christmas party outfit. If I ever have a Christmas party to go to, I bought this for the company I used to work for. Like, wow, how long has it been? 5 years ago, I dare to say. Crazy, eh? Velvet never goes out of style though. It's like such a classy Christmas thing, but it's still unique. So that's why I love it. These are my scarves and hats and stuff, so I'm going to also fold them up and put them away. A lot of these are like wool and cashmere, so I like to keep them in dust bags, and I'm just reusing these ones from Organic Basics. This is my favorite one. This herringbone, not herringbone, houndstooth blanket scarf. Such a good investment. Like, it's the only blanket scarf I'll ever need, you know? I think that's how you purchase things mindfully. It's like, you don't need 5 different blanket scarves in like 5 different colors. Just get one. A super versatile one. Like, nice. These are all my like spring summer pieces. My silk shirt. My other trousers. I love long shorts, even though I look like a mom. I'm gonna take these out and hang them up. Favorite jumpsuit ever. I don't get to wear that often. Bathing suits and stuff in here. Okay, man, there's so much stuff I want to sell. Don't you love when everything just fits so nicely? And then over here, these are the things that I'm gonna sell. I still need to try these pants on. And then also some jackets, but I don't want to get it too like messed up in there. So these are some things that I'm gonna wash again. Sometimes the scent of sunscreen doesn't wash out too well. And then I'm going to put that stuff away as well. Next, I'm going to sort through these 2 boxes. These are a lot of shop things, so I wanna sort through them to figure out what I wanna shoot. I wanna hang up some of the stuff that I'm keeping for like my spring, summer vibes. A lot of these are honestly like sweaters, so. My fave pinstripe trousers. So good. The denim I'm gonna fold because denim I think like doesn't really matter too much if it's folded or not. Isn't it so sad that these are the only 2 denim like jeans that fit me right now? Man, what a time. They're vintage trousers and I love the color so much. They're a little bit long, so I've been meaning to get them hemmed. Maybe this is the year. Like, look at mine. All of this stuff I love because they're my precious knits. Some EF, some thrifted, mostly EF, like cashmere. So I'm going to just take them out and pack them away for the season. Maybe I'll show you in better lighting tomorrow, but on this side, I have all of them hung up. This is honestly my spring summer wardrobe. Knits, hoodies up there, some towels, and then on this side, these are the jeans that I tried on that do still fit, so I'm gonna keep them, which is nice. These ones are too big for me, so I might get them tailored, but those. I'm storing some of my knit sweaters here, like the super yummy ones, in these dust bags. Some shirts. These are my like basics. Socks, undies. This is like my active wear and sleeping clothes, little blanket, and then all of my Eileen Fisher stuff is packed up in that suitcase besides these 2 like precious knits here. So it is so clean. I don't understand, like, do you remember what it looked like before? Have to deal with this. It is past midnight, but these are all of the clothes that were in my closet that I want to sell because they don't fit me anymore. And then over here, this was what was on top of my washer and dryer, but these are like more sportswear, activewear stuff. And then I need to go through these 2 boxes still. I have cleaned up in here a little bit, so I'm gonna be selling these jackets as well. It's 3 a.m., but look at how clean it is. After everything, I organized a ton. So this is still the same cardboard that I need to bring to recycling. This is my like painting stuff and my denim project and some planters. This is the stuff that I'm gonna donate. Everything over here is stuff I'm gonna sell. Over here, I put my winter coats into this bin, and my winter shoes and stuff are in these dust bags. which cleared up some space. Yeah. I just had a great idea. I still have this organizer from my old apartment, and it was just away in like one of my other closets. And currently I have all of my shoes on the floor, but I feel like they get dusty like that. So I think I'm gonna use this as like my little shoe organizer. Also because all of these are clean. I clean the bottoms every season. So when I'm doing shoots and stuff or styling videos, I like to just have them in this closet so it's easier for me to style stuff. And now the floor is empty. I don't know if you guys are ready for this after. Also, I just came back from putting things in my storage locker and I need to change, so that's why I'm wearing this, but it's a different day. Are you guys ready for the reveal? It's so organized and nice. And then on this side, oh my god, it makes me so happy, especially knowing that every single piece in here fits me. That was the biggest thing, and that was the main reason I wanted to sort through everything, because it's been years since I've actually, I guess, cleaned out my closet, purged my closet. I'm very proud of how my closet turned out. So I moved some things over to this side. This is mostly my springtime shirts. This is what I'm inspired by the most. So I brought it over here because this is honestly the side that I use more, since it's my undies and like my loungewear and stuff. And then on this side, you saw that I added this little like storage thingy. So I have my shoes here, and then I just put my extra hangers down there. And then, yeah, the top is still the same. And then over here are like my longer jackets and jumpsuits, and then some of my pants are kind of hidden there. But let me just zoom out quick because I'm so proud of this. Wow. I'm gonna film a quick outro, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. This was a crazy declutter. Let me know down below what you prefer for like my closet sale. That's it for this video. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment down below if you did, because that helps a lot. And if you're new here, please subscribe. This is not my usual content, but also this is my life. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye everyone.